Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix Crunchyroll subtitle delay. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the apps drawer. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Apps option to open the menu. Step 3. You'll see a list of all installed apps. Tap on the search bar at the top, type Crunchyroll, and select it from the search results. Step 4. Now scroll down and tap on the Storage option. Here, you'll see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 5. Simply tap on Clear Cache first, then tap on Clear Data. Confirm your action by tapping the Delete button. That's it. Step 6. Another way to fix the issue is by reinstalling the app. Go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store app. Step 7. Tap on the search bar, type Crunchyroll, and select the app from the search results. Since the app is already installed on your device, you'll see the uninstall option. Step 8. Tap on Uninstall, then tap again to confirm. After that, reinstall the app and wait a few moments until the installation is complete. Step 9. Once the app is installed, open it and log into your account. The subtitle delay issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.